I was at New Look the other day and found this really cute fuchsia pink dress, but the strap was broken, so it was on sale. I thought I could replace the strap with this blue ribbon, so I went to the best tailor in Cork. I asked her if I could add the blue ribbon onto the dress, and she said yes. She sewed on the blue ribbon onto the dress and also fixed the original broken strap. So I'm gonna put it on, and my sister is tying the blue ribbon on my shoulder. And ta-da! This is how the dress turned out with the added blue ribbon. I really like it. This dress is definitely a statement piece. Thank you for watching.